Let me introduce you to the history in JavaScript. Imagine we are having this HTML file and we have an H1 right here, for example, that says this is, or that just says home, for example. And now we also have two more pages like a contact.html and an about.html. Let's create a basic template and let's say this one here is about and this one here is our contact, like so. And now let's also create a short navigation bar. So we have an anchor right here that redirects the user to our home or index.html file. This here is home. Let's duplicate that one. This here is going to be contact and this here is going to be about. Doesn't really matter too much though. So this is contact and this is about. And now let's just copy those anchor tags right here and paste them on our about page and on our index.html page. And as you can see, now we have this navigation. We have home, contact, and about. And about somehow does not seem to have the anchors for whatever. Okay, now it works. So now maybe we want to use JavaScript to navigate on our page. So we can, for example, say on our index.html file, let's create a button that has the ID button, for example, and that one says click me. We're going to get this button inside of JavaScript by using const btn is equal to document get element by ID btn. And now we want to do something once the user clicks on this button. How can we do something? We are going to add an event listener. We are going to listen to the click event once the user clicks on the button. Let's, for example, say we just want to log our history because that is ultimately what we need to redirect the user on a button click. So let's first take a look at that. Let's go to our home page. We have this button right here. And as you can see, now we're getting this history object right here. And you can see we have a lot of properties right here like back, forward, go, push state, replace state, and so on. And the most important ones, in my opinion, are back, forward, and go. And as the names imply, back goes backward, forward goes forward, and go allows you to be more precise. For example, if we click this button, let's say we want to use history.back. So we're getting back to the previous page that we visited. So we're going to go to contact. From contact, let's go back to home. So now our previous page was contact. We're going to click this button. And as you can see, we are getting redirected to the contact page. Now let's use forward, for example. And forward is a little bit tricky. So let me show you. We're going to contact, home, click me, nothing happens. Why doesn't anything happen? Well, because this is our newest page, since we never went back. So we have to go back in order to be able to use this button right here to jump forward. So now let's test that. Let's go from our home page to our contact page. Now let's go backward. So now we went back to our home page and the next page would again be our contact page because that was the page where we pressed back. So now let's click this button and we're getting redirected to the contact page. Also, if we would go to the home page, go to about, then we're going back. We're now again on the home page, but we press the back button on the about page. So that one would be the page if we go forward. So let's click that button. And as you can see, we're now on the about page. And now you can also use go, for example. And go is pretty simple. You just enter a value, so a number. Do you want to go forward? Maybe you want to go one page forward, then we use 1. Maybe you want to go one page backward, then we use -1. Maybe we want to go 2 pages backwards, then we use -2, for example. So this is really simple. Now let's test that one. Let's click on contact, let's click on about, and let's go to home, click me, and as you can see, we're landing on the contact page. Why the contact page? Because that was the page where we have been 2 clicks ago. So let me show you. We're starting at the home page. First click, contact page. Second click, about us page. Third click, home page. So if I'm going to click right here now, we're going to go 1 level back, about, 2 levels back, contact. So we should land on a contact page. And as you can see, we land on a contact page.